Everyday tasks overwhelming, a crazy tough job we once quitting. We gotta keep showing up in the building, otherwise our job is ending. My coworker said she can finally escape from the state, from this quote. Her dream's not gonna come true though. Look at us working on this endless workload. We can't wait, we can't hope. It's time to let the pressure go. That wasn't my intent, give me one more chance. Coming up with alternative plan, taking this opportunity in my hand, so I can improve myself again and again. Sometimes I think I'm insane, running away to shield myself from the pain. Doesn't it nice to have a beer? Take the second to stop the tears. My boss got us for emergency. My coworkers are ready to flee. Would beyond belief, I just wanna be his craziness we won't see. Showing off his Rolls Royce, want us be his honeybees. Don't give us enough money, living free. That wasn't my intent, give me one more chance. Coming up with alternative plan, taking this opportunity in my hand, so I can improve myself again and again. Taking care of debt being first, before giving tears away in bursts. Get ourselves together again is what we need. Working with no plan, I disagree. Have confidence, you can't be slick. Taking days off when you are sick. Sometimes we need a break. Work-life balance is the trick. Teammates, we work side by side. Discover the next trending tide. Thanks for your work, we can put everything back on track. This time we'll get time for a fact check. Thank you all my friends, we've captured our chance. Coming up with alternative plan, taking this opportunity in our hand, so we can finish our work again and again. It's never right.